So hands down, one of the things I was able to review last year that surprisingly blew me away was the XGIMI 4K Horizon Ultra projector. I've never really had a projector before, and I was always skeptical about how it stacked up against high-end televisions, but man, this thing left me speechless, and I absolutely have fallen in love with it and use it all the time. So you can imagine my excitement when the good folks over at XGIMI reached out asking if they could sponsor a video of me checking out their newest Pro line projector and successor to the Horizon Ultra, the Horizon S Max. But not only that, they sent me over their extremely popular and updated XGIMI Halo Plus, a projector that is not only a lot more affordable, but also portable. So I wanted to check them both out side by side and put this video together to help you determine which one might be the right one for you. Hey, it's Jason. I make videos on consumer tech to help make sure that you're as informed as possible before you buy something. Please hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also, I get asked all the time where I get the wallpapers for my phone. If you guys want them, sign up for the JSL newsletter. I send subscribers out a new full-res wallpaper every week, as well as really good tech deals and fun articles written by yours truly. It's totally free. The link to subscribe will be in the description down below. Okay, first, let's talk about design and form factor between the XGIMI Halo Plus and the Horizon S Max. Starting with the Halo Plus, this is a more compact design with the height of the unit coming in at under 172mm, making it shorter than an iPad mini, which is quite impressive. It has a boxy cylindrical shape with the buttons on the top of the unit and the I/O on the back, and the main lens prominently out in front with a little camera at the bottom of the unit here. It also has an integrated speaker grille around its circumference, and it comes with a pretty simple remote and charging unit in the box. Now compare that to the Horizon S Max. The first thing that you're going to notice is size. The S Max is a significantly larger unit. If you're familiar with the Horizon Ultra, the S Max continues the use of this unique cube-like design, but it's now integrated onto this floating gimbal, which allows you to rotate the unit on both the X and Y axis. This allows you to quickly and easily adjust where the picture is being beamed to, and can even tilt vertically up to 135 degrees if you want to use your ceiling as your screen. It's a simple but really nice addition that makes it a lot easier to get the viewing experience that you're looking for. Now this unit comes with a much more comprehensive AC power unit, and it does come with a slightly nicer remote control. All of the I/O is also on the back over here, and it too also has built-in speakers. Now unlike the Halo Plus, the Horizon S Max has a retractable dust cover for the main lens, giving users a very luxurious on-off experience, and the overall aesthetics of this unit is much more stylish. When you take a look at them side by side, the Halo Plus has more of a utilitarian projector design, while the S Max has more of a modern home decor look to it that can easily integrate itself into a well-furnished home. But a critical reason why these two units are designed so differently is the fact that the Halo Plus is a portable projector that can be used wirelessly, while the S Max definitely cannot. The Halo Plus has a built-in 59 watt-hour rechargeable battery that can last around 2.5 hours on a full charge, which makes this awesome for taking with you on the go for things like a camping trip where you're not going to have access to a steady power source. So even though it may not have as many bells and whistles, the Halo Plus is far more versatile and therefore ideal if you're wanting to be able to use a projector in multiple different locations. The S Max, on the other hand, is more for those who want to have something like a dedicated home theater setup, as the unit is larger and harder to move around, but there's still enough flexibility built into the unit for minor adjustments and fine-tuning. At the end of the day, both are really well put together. Which one is right for you is really going to come down to your use case and your preferences. But let's talk about arguably the most important part of any projector, and that of course is picture quality, and I'm happy to say both the Halo Plus and the Horizon S Max really deliver here. The Halo Plus being the more budget device, it does top out at a 1080p resolution, supported with 700 ISO lumens, which is surprisingly bright for such a small unit. It can beam up to 200 inches for max screen size, and you can see on my projector screen that's around 100 inches, the picture quality here is pretty dang impressive. The Halo Plus's advanced image engine named XView helps boost the clarity and color detail, making for a pretty spectacular HD viewing experience. Add in the fact that this projector also supports HDR10 for enhanced contrast and color depth, and you get an extremely pleasing viewing experience even when blown up to 100 inches. There's also a dedicated game mode built into the Halo Plus that does help with latency, and it's decent. You are capped at 60 frames per second and 1080p, so it's not going to be the best for spec-intensive gaming, but it's pretty dang immersive if you're able to play any game at this scale. And when used wirelessly using the internal battery, the Halo Plus Plus does get slightly dimmer to save on battery life, it's not going to be a major issue so long as you're viewing in a dark room or outside at night. When it comes to daytime use, it's okay, but definitely not its strong suit, as the performance between a dark and light room is almost literally night and day. Now, to complement the viewing experience, the Halo Plus is equipped with two 5-watt Harman Kardon speakers that supports Dolby Audio and sounds great, a lot more powerful than what you would think a unit this size would be able to pump out. Overall, the picture quality on the Halo Plus is surprisingly good given the spec sheet, and to me, it punches well above its weight class in multiple different ways. Now, all that said, when taking a look at the picture quality on the Horizon S Max, I'm just gonna be honest here, it's better in virtually every single way. It has a 4K max resolution, so it's 4 times sharper than the Halo Plus, and you can definitely tell the difference. Even when blown up to 100 inches, the video comes off tack sharp, only made better by the updated 1,000,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio and the new enhanced contrast option that you can toggle on in the settings. My camera really doesn't do this projector justice because the image quality in person is so good, it's kind of mind-blowing. It's crazy that a consumer-level home projector can produce such an outstanding theater-like viewing experience. Now, this sentiment really hits home when you're watching footage that supports XGIMI's new IMAX Enhanced Dolby Vision, which makes the footage that you're looking at noticeably more vivid, and it's great that it can be detected and turned on automatically when supported footage is turned on. Gaming on the S Max is also fantastic with the input lag coming in at under 20 milliseconds, and again, gaming with this large of a screen is super fun and totally immersive. The unit also comes with dual 12-watt Harman Kardon speakers that sound fantastic, probably the best built-in speakers on any projector period and way above average for casual viewing. But what really takes the S Max to another level is its insane brightness level. It can output a whopping 3100 ISO lumens, which is a 35% increase from the Horizon Ultra. This makes the entire viewing experience noticeably fuller and more vibrant, and because this projector is using XGIMI's Dual Light 2.0 technology that combines a triple laser and LED light sources, you get essentially no speckles or color fringing while also being super color accurate. So understandably, it does perform better in naturally lit environments than the Halo Plus, given that it's so much brighter, but much like all projectors, the Horizon S Max really shines the best in a dark room. It's the closest thing to having a movie theater level experience in your home, and I continue to be blown away at how incredible of an experience it is. And that experience is really enhanced by the smart features that XGIMI has implemented on both the Halo Plus and the Horizon S Max, starting with the intelligent screen adaptations. Both projectors can take advantage of auto keystone correction that automatically adjusts the position of the projection to give users the right viewing angle. It can also autofocus if you adjust the size of the screen, and again, it does it all by itself and it's super accurate. I can't tell you how useful it is not having to constantly move the unit around or dial in focus. It saves you from so much frustration and time wasted, which actually makes you want to use the projector rather than shelve it. The Horizon S Max comes with some additional features like the new wall color adaptation that assesses the color of the wall the light source is being beamed onto and adjusts the colors accordingly to give you the best color accuracy every time. It can also auto adjust to ultra widescreen mode, which is great if you're watching a movie that was shot in the widescreen aspect ratio. Now, another slight difference between the units is that the Halo Plus is running Google TV as its operating system, while the Horizon S Max is running Android TV. I do prefer Google TV as it's a bit easier to set up, and XGIMI was able to add Netflix natively to the Halo Plus, while the S Max requires a bit of a workaround to get Netflix onto the software. But both operating systems run smooth and are simple to navigate. Now, something I would say is a shared limitation is the lack of I/O, as both only have one HDMI port. This makes it difficult if you want to do something like play a game console and have surround sound. It would have been great to have at least one more HDMI port for those who really want to maximize the use of either projector. But we're really nitpicking here because both the Halo Plus and the Horizon S Max offer almost everything that you'd want in a projector that you can start using almost immediately out of the box. I would say if you're wanting to have a projector that you can take into multiple different rooms or with you on a trip, the Halo Plus is the way to go. It's easy to quickly bring into any room in the house, and I love the fact that a portable device such as this one can still provide users with a pretty amazing viewing experience. But if you're looking for that true theater-like experience in your home, the Horizon S Max is the one to go go with. I know it's pricey, but my god, this thing is incredible. Once you've experienced how vivid and immersive the picture quality is at a size that a TV just can't get to, it's hard to go back to using anything else. And XGIMI really makes using both the Halo Plus and the Horizon S Max super easy to use. They've worked on essentially eliminating all the friction that came with using a projector, and I can't stress enough how important that is from a user experience standpoint. If you guys want to learn more about the XGIMI Halo Plus or the Horizon S Max, use the links that are in the description down below and let me know in the comments which unit you think is better. And in case you guys missed my review of the XGIMI Horizon Ultra, check it out here to be as informed as possible.